Hello, my name is McKay Harmon. Today we are going to be looking at Power BI and how we can use it for data visualization. First, we're going to look at this revenue dashboard that we've created, and then we'll spend a few minutes looking at kind of the behind the scenes of what goes into making it. So here we can see some monthly revenue for our trial company here, and see the trend month over month of how much they're selling. And then down here, we can see the top customers they sold to for the whole year and the top products for that year. And what's cool about it is it's all interactive. So we can go here and look at this top customer, and the dashboard will update to show exactly when we sold to that customer and what products we sold throughout that year. And we can do it the other direction as well and show it by product. So here's when we sold all of that product and who we sold it to throughout the year. Down here we have a total sales for the year, and here we have a bar chart showing similar data of who we sold the most to throughout the year. And then lastly, we have a goal gauge showing us how much we sold versus what our goal was for the year. And this is divided up by years. So we can click through the different years and see in 2019, here's how we did. Here's who we sold to, what we sold them, and how much. Again, you see the goal versus actual. So there's a lot of different things that we can show in Power BI. It doesn't have to be just revenue. We could also build accounts receivable dashboards, or dashboards that go more into specifically profitability, so showing revenue minus cost of goods sold. We could also do it based on claims or any other metric that you want. So to show you kind of a little bit of what's happening, the way Power BI works is through relationships. So you have a data table or data set. This one's sales specifically, and then over here we have cost of goods sold. And so to be able to compare the two, we have to create a relationship between them. And the way you do that is just dragging and drop. So here we have the calendar. Everything has to be compared to the same calendar. So you have a main calendar data set and a main product listing to show all the different products and their SKUs, so you can compare your sales and your cost of goods sold. So that would be the next step in this dashboard, would be to link all those together so that we could make it show profitability more. And then here shows the actual data table of those sales. You can see here's all the customers we sold to. Here's their SKUs and the product names and how much we sold to them. So these so far have just been imported from Excel. But the thing that's great about Power BI is that you can actually link multiple different kinds of data. So you could link just Excel spreadsheets that you have, or live data from like your GL system or your CRM, whatever CRM software you're using, so you can compare more different types of data and create more graphics that way. And we can also build multiple dashboards within one data set. So if you wanted to have just your overall sales, you could then build another one that broke it down more by customer to see where people were buying specific products from, or which locations were selling the most, which agents were selling the most, just depending on what the business is. So that's a basic overview of Power BI and everything that we can do with it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.